After inserting the SD card to the back of the desktop, wait for the card to appear. Usually other prompts will pop up, but you just want to go ahead and click No Action and exit out of the other box. So what we want to do now is open up your Finder window. Once you open that up, Command-Shift-G, and if it does not already appear highlighted in blue, you'll want to manually type it in. It will open you up to the shared folder where you can then click on our class 444, then click on the folder of your quarter section. You'll then need to create a new folder with your name. Inside of that folder, you will create another new folder labeling it Story 1. Now we'll need to open up the SD card file and input the footage to your folder. By simply double-clicking, we can drag and drop. It's very important that we take both highlighted sections. The copying time can vary upon how much footage is being transferred. After the footage copying is complete, you will then need to open up a new Finder window by pressing Control and clicking the mouse. We are backing up our footage into the cloud just in case something happens to the desktop that you're at. The cloud will allow for additional access. Click on the top Local Matters section and double-click Archive. Go to your quarter section, click on your name, then open up the SD card and drag and drop the same files. Now let's open up Premiere. There are a few ways to do this. I am just going to search it up at the top. If it doesn't already appear on the screen, look up at the top left-hand corner and make sure it says Premiere Pro CC. Go to the File, New, Project. Click on the Scratch Disks button. Make sure that everything says Save as Project. Labeling your project, your name _ Story 1. All right, let's upload some footage. You can either use the shortcut command I or go to File Import. Command-Shift-G, 444, your quarter section, your name, your story number, private, AVCHD, BDMV, stream, and select all the files and click Import. They will appear in the workspace on your left side. To keep things organized, you'll want to create a new bin. You can create as many as you'd like. Label them and select and sort. By hovering the mouse over the video, you can see a mini preview of what it is. And that's how you import and upload footage onto the shared folder, back it up onto the archive, and start a Premiere Pro project.